Alright y'all, just getting started to replace this fan motor along with the capacitor, and then we're also going to do evap coil clean. We also are going to do a drain line flush. I also just put isolators on the unit because it was very noisy, but also the compressor is overamping a bit, kind of off and on, but there is some restriction in the evap coil, which you guys will see in a little bit. This will be the white wire going to common, and this will be the black wire going to the fan. It is now replaced and up in running condition.